Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will be discussing about the discharge through the open channel using chezy's formula. Okay, first of all let us consider a channel, and this channel should be having some inclination, and this is the section 1 and section 2. Here pressure P1 and A1 is acting in this direction and P2 A2 is acting in this direction. Frictional force is acting this direction. This is the bottom of the channel and this is the datum line. This is the inclination. Okay, here W is acting in this direction, and if we resolve this W in this direction we will get W sin theta, and this direction we will get W cos theta. Okay, before going to the derivation we have to take some assumptions. First one is the flow should be uniform and steady state. What is meant by uniform and steady state means, see my previous video. In that video I explained the what is uniform flow and what is steady flow. Okay, next assumption is the bottom slope is very small, means this slope should be very small. Next, it should be prismatic channel. What is meant by prismatic channel means the dimensions of the channel should not change, then that channel will be known as prismatic channel. Generally the examples for prismatic channels are man-made channels, means rectangular channel or triangular channel, like that. Okay, next the fourth assumption is total energy line is constant throughout the flow. Next, coming to the derivation, what are the forces we are considering is pressure force at section 1 and 2, means section 1 and section 2 we will considering the pressure forces. Second one is frictional resistance, this is the frictional resistance. Third one is weight component. Okay, coming to the derivation, just considering the F1, F2, Fr and W sin theta. What is F1 and F2 means, here P1 A1 is F1, P2 A2 is F2. Okay, P1 A1 is in positive x direction and W sin theta is in positive x direction, so these two will be taking positive. These two are in the negative x direction, so we will put minus for those two. See, F1 minus F2 minus Fr plus W sin theta is equal to 0. These two are negative, so we will moving these two to this side. F1 plus W sin theta is equal to F2 plus Fr. Okay, what is here F1? F1 means P1 A1, F2 means P2 A2. In the assumptions we take that it is prismatic channel. Prismatic channel means the dimensions are not changing, so A1 is equal to A2. We will put A1 in the place of A2. This is open channel flow, so there are no pressure differences, only atmospheric pressure will be there, so we will put P1 in the place of P2. So again writing P1 A1 plus W sin theta is equal to P2 is equal to P1, A2 is equal to A1. Then this P1 A1 will be cancelled. What are the remaining terms? W sin theta is equal to Fr. Put this as equation 1. Coming to the next, we know that W is equal to mg. What is m means, here rho al. Okay, and next coming to Fr. Fr means we know that Fr is equal to F dash into wetted area into V power n. Here n is equal to 2. We will get this through experimentally. So I write this as F dash into wetted area means P into L, perimeter into length, into V square. Okay. Next, substituting these two in this equation 1, we will get, here in the place of W we write rho ALG into sin theta is equal to F dash into PL into V square. Fr kada. So here L and L will be cancelled. Remaining terms are rho AG sin theta is equal to F dash PV square. Here move these two terms to this side. V square is equal to rho AG sin theta by V square equal to rho AG sin theta by F dash P. Put this as equation 2. We know that small w equal to capital W by V. Then what is capital W? It is mg. Mg by V. We know that density rho is equal to mass by volume. So in this mass by volume place we will write rho g. Okay. Next, in this place, in this rho g place, just put small w. V square equal to AW sin theta by F dash B. Okay. Next, if we move this square to this side, V is equal to root AW sin theta by F dash B. Next, we will write this as W by F dash into A sin theta by B. W by F dash put like that. A by P, here we know that M is equal to A by P. Okay. So here in this A by P place we write M, small m. So V is equal to root W by F dash into root M sin theta. Okay. Here we consider this as C. C is equal to root W by F dash, which is equal to chezy's constant. So V is equal to C root M sin theta. Here theta is very small, so sin theta is equal to theta. Okay, so sin theta will be equal to theta. V is equal to C root M theta. Then what is discharge? Q is equal to, we know that area into volume. Area into velocity. Here velocity V is equal to C root M theta. Substitute here. Then we will get the discharge. Q is equal to AC root M theta. That's it. This is the equation for the discharge through open channel using chezy's constant. If any queries are there, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.